please understand that the advertising management, we are not going to become an expert in designing. We are not going to design and give sold to somebody else. But the objective is when we become a manager or when we become a finance manager, when we become a HR manager, the tool, what we are suggesting to our client, whether it is a right or not, whether our advertising agency or consultancy, they are doing the right thing or our budget is wasted. So to know that, we should know at least about the names of the application, how we to work, what is the content, what is the template. So that is the purpose. And my aim is to not to make all people as a creative in ad creation. So please understand the objective. So again, I am saying don't expect my regular messages. If I'm sending a reminder for certain things, mean that is actually mean that you are not perfect. Do this reminder, do this reminder. One people very good, second people very good. That is not just for a motivation. That means that the balanced people are not performing. When I'm saying good to 3 people means balance 20 people are not performing. That is the meaning you have to understand. When I'm saying reminder means that's confirmed that you are not in progress. My duty is to follow up. That is a different thing. But as a marketing student, you should not make me to make a follow up. You should do on your own. Fine. That is a separate thing. And for your Ventura preparation also, I am not giving. So you might be preparing for your idea plan, other things, etc. So I'm not texting anything. I'm not posting any new assignments. Okay. So only during the classes I'm giving discussion. And one question you might be asked, sir, before 15 minutes you posted something and we have to prepare as a team. Okay. All the things are just to review your learning from the marketing management. These are things not new. These are things not new, and the entire advertising management maybe 25% may be new to you. Other things, as a MBA student, you should know all these things. This is not for me to teach. Okay. So I just for understanding what is your level you are. Okay. I had given a few different headings. Based on that, again, I'm going to discuss for the last 15 minutes. Okay. So maybe for the 20 to 25 minutes, I'm going through the team. Okay. So, and please understand, I have a paper, name list individually, group wise, I have a name list. And whenever we are discussing, I'm just noting down. So please understand. And LMS is helping me to track your updation in the assignments. Okay, so Google form gives me what time you submit. So there is no need to think around. So when I'm giving the marks for the final internals, all your progress, I have a record. Please understand that. Don't think that you're just in the classroom discussion. Everything matters. Fine. So coming back, next to 15 to 20 minutes, we are just refreshing what we learned and to proceed with the next one. The second unit is about advertising planning. Okay, how we have to prepare advertisement, how we have to prepare a budget, and what are the different types of ad available, among that which is suitable for me when it has to be launched. As a marketing manager, I have to give a suggestion to my creative team. If so means, what are the things we should know? That's the thing I already posted in the WhatsApp group. It's not only for the group. For the time constraint, I'm asking only one or team for the topic. Actually, here all the 21 students should know all the concepts. That is the reality. But because of time constraint, I'm restricting. Anyway, I'm going through it. Yes. So as of now, all can switch off your videos. But whenever the team is called, you have to switch on. You have to respond. So thank you. So first we are moving to the team one. That is the Thomas team. Yes. So Thomas, only 2 people are available in your team.
No, sir, three of us.
Yes, yes. The team leaders, whenever the task is given, assignment is given, presentation is given, whatever given, so please follow up with your team. Please motivate them. So I cannot motivate all the 23 students. So you please take care of it. Okay, fine. So the 3 are there. So Thomas, please brief about the concepts given to you.
The concepts given to me is the objectives of marketing management. The objectives of marketing is creation of demand, customer satisfaction, market shares, creation of profit, and creation of goodwill and public image. And for an example, we can see that as a brand, we can take Adidas or any other footwear. First of all, they need to make a demand for the customers, as we have to find out the preference and taste of the customers, so we can produce us according to their. And then
Thomas, please understand the question. You might be answering for some other question. Pradeep, Kishore, Thomas, answer why we are doing the marketing. Objectives of marketing. Simple. Answer in one word or two word.
Sir, it's
to make profit.
One,
Yes.
To improve brand reputation, sir.
Yeah.
two. Yes, like this.
reach out to customers.
Sir?
Reach out to customers, potential
Reaching out
customers.
the customer is not the target. What is the end result you are expecting?
Brand image.
That is reputation. Yes. Why we doing marketing?
Increasing the sales.
Okay.
Increase profit margin.
Sir, we use the word profit, use the word sales, you use the word brand reputation. Don't use different words for the three same words. Please think.
To make people aware about the existence of the product.
Okay, awareness. 4.
To increase customer experience.
Okay. Experience. Don't browse. Kishore, there is no need to use the Google or anything else. Whatever in your mind, please say, I have Google, I can browse.
So it creates a demand in the market
Okay.
to increase the competition level.
Increase the competition level.
Means if there are competitors in the market, so if you do a better marketing, then you are creating a benchmark. So other competitors might have sorry, sir.
Benchmark for what?
So there's a like quality you are bringing in the market.
Dear all students, please answer to the question. In interviews, we have only 5 to 10 minutes. They might be asking 10 questions. If you are giving a wrong answer for 5 minutes, you are eating the time for another 5 good questions. Please answer to the question. This is a very basic thing. What is marketing? What are the objectives of marketing? I need only simple answers. Why I have to market? Advertising is one part. For what? For achieving the marketing objective. So please, dear students, okay, you might be learning lot of analytics, lot of very big, great concepts. You might be in creative, but the main thing is we should be strong in basic. The basic question, what is the difference between sales and marketing? You should be able to give the same, your own example.
Marketing
is a very proudable job than other thing. You should be able to justify. So if you are not having these answers, you might be very good in presentation, very good in personality. It won't work out. Even if you are going to HR job, okay, but you will say, defaultly you will say, my specialization is HR and marketing, Even you go for HR interview, they will ask about marketing. Because you learned, right? 3 subjects in HR, 3 subjects in marketing mean you should know something about marketing. No, sir, I am very much interested in HR, sir. Okay. You should be able to answer something in marketing, no? And even you are not took the marketing specialization, even you took finance, you learned marketing. And marketing is a subject which is actually solving the purpose of the organization, because money. We are doing the business for money. Awareness creation, etc. What is the end result? We need money back. So marketing is the only department which is giving money back to the company. Whatever department you may be, you should be able to answer it, right? So, sorry, Thomas team. So what you people are doing is, when the question is given, immediately you are going to the Google, you are getting 4 words. Even go to anything, any book, even library, we are having thousands. They are giving only 4 words. The same word will be said by all the 23 people, right? For example, I am asking the same question to all the 23. The same 4 answer is repeated. How I can pick you people, better people? The question is same. So you should understand the basic and you should be able to give your practical example. Then only you can differentiate from us. Okay, sorry. Thank you, team 1. I'm moving to the team 2, Hari and team. Yes. So I will come back again with the PPT. I can share only few points, dear students. Okay, you have to tell many things. Now, assumption, we understood what are the basics of marketing. What are the objectives of marketing? Now, every people are telling, how will you increase sales? How will you market better? The first word comes to us is advertise, sir. Correct? But please understand, when you're sitting in an interview, please don't suggest the advertisement. Even we are learning advertising management, you should not say, because it's a cost oriented. I'm asking how you sell the product. Sir, I will give an ad in TV, sir. Okay, that I will give. What you are going to do? So advertisement is the last option because it incur cost. The return is not sure. Still, according to the team to Hari's team, please answer what may be the objectives of advertising. Even I have a lot of option to promote. There are 5 mix in promotion. Okay. Why we have to go for advertising? So simple objectives of advertisement. Yes.
So I would like to start off by telling that objective of advertisement can be of introducing a brand or a product. For example, if you're introducing a product, Samsung, for example, when they're bringing a new mobile, so that is to make the customers know that there's a product like this, a new mobile is launched with these features. For that advertisement is necessary. Same goes with advertising of a brand. For example, Uber. Uber as a company, it doesn't advertise its cars. So Uber as a company, as a whole, it advertises as Uber, which provides this kind of service.
Hari. So again, we will go, first we will get the points, then we'll give the example. Otherwise, for one example itself, we will take 5 minutes so that we are unable to tell balance 9 points. So first one, what is the first one? What are the objectives of advertising?
To know about a product or a brand.
Clear. What is the, even you have 3 points, be clear. What are the 3 points you are going to speak?
So introduce a product or a brand.
What are the objectives of advertising?
Introduce a product or a brand.
Introduce a product or brand. So if you want to do introduction of new brand, advertisement will support. If I am advertising, my objective is not to launch the product, sir. Advertising will add on value to the new product launch. What is your objectives of advertising? Yes, it may be a right, but I'm looking for some more answers.
So advertisement helps in creating awareness. It helps to attract the customers through advertisement.
Angela, very nice. Creative awareness. About what? About you? About Anisha? About Hari?
No, sir. About any advertisement they are trying to show.
Please don't say some. Please specify.
So if you look at some of the bank advertisements, they try to show their schemes and awareness campaigns through which.
Yeah. As I said to Hari, I don't want example as of now. Please tell me the objectives. Awareness about question mark underline.
So the product or the brand.
So awareness about the brand, awareness about the product, awareness about the price, awareness about distribution. Correct? So you should fill the gap. Awareness is a common word, right?
Yes.
So okay, 1 point. Next point.
Positioning the product.
Positioning the product where?
In the minds of the customer, like recalling. If we are able to make ads, people will be able to recall the brand. So in a way, you're positioning.
What is positioning?
I'm creating an image in the minds of the customers that my product, whenever they see my product, they have something associated.
What are the things you want to associate about the product?
Quality,
Okay.
maybe quality and value.
Okay.
What else? Price.
Because always you will say positioning. Yes, as you said, the definition is right. But what you want to position? Please, you should know what are the different types of positioning. Benefit-based positioning, price-based positioning, value-based positioning, profit-based positioning, utility-based positioning. Correct? Yes. Positioning is a very nice word. But if you want to extend, sir, these things 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sir. These things I want to position on whom? Next to gap. Customer minded. So what is the other word for customer?
Customer. What?
I want to position about my brand future on whom?
Prospective customers.
Yes.
Prospective customers.
Prospective customer. So prospective customer is different thing because they are going to become my customer. One.
Yes, sir.
What are the other words?
User.
User. Okay. Consumer who currently using. Why we have to position among the currently using? Because already they know about the product, right?
Loyalty. It will increase brand loyalty, sir.
Okay. Then
So frequent purchase. So my sales will increase.
you are deviating. Customer. I want to classify the customer. The customer can be a current customer. If I want to retain the customer, I have to position the product so that she will not move to another competitor. If he is not my customer, he may be a prospective customer. I have to tap them.
Yes.
Target audience, even the 1,000 people, they may or may not become. So please, apart from the word user, apart from the consumer word, apart from the customer word, try to find out some technical words, maybe prospective audience, target segment. Please use some jargons.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay, then.
So to gain the trust of the audience or the customers, so by showing advertisements, the customers feel more connected and they can relate to the advertisement. And if there is someone who's influencing them, they have a trust on that brand. So
Okay, so trust creation, loyalty. I got only 3 points. Awareness, positioning for creating a trust or loyalty. Then
The acquiring the customers or like, brand switching.
acquiring a customer or brand switching. What is brand switching?
So like if I am into one brand, but through the advertisement, if I feel that that is more creative or much better than this, then I would switch to that brand. So innovative way of.
What is your objective here?
to
Sorry,
make
sir?
them switch to our brand, basically.
Whether you want to make other competitor customer to switch over to your brand,
Yes, sir.
or whether you want to block your customer churning out to other competitors. You should be very clear, correct? Getting a new customer from my competitor, that is different. We have to push in a different way. Are you getting a point, Angela?
Yes, sir, I'm getting.
Based on that, my content will change. Simply, I will say acquire customer. How you are going to acquire customer? Competitor customer or a new customer. Who is a new customer? He is not know about the product at all. I am using a pencil. I don't know how to use the pen. For him, the advertisement is different. I am using a pen. You want to convert me to use your pen. So I want, my focus is to compete with the competitor, compare with the competitor. If I don't know about pen means your objective is to give awareness first. Are you getting the point? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So switching over, churning out itself, we have to be very clear. Switching over from others to us, or we have to cut down the switching over. Yes. 4 point.
So to build brand image.
Okay. Brand image. Yes. Anyway, all these things are roaming around only 3 points. We might be having different words for the exam, but it's having the same meaning. Yes.
For the product.
Yes, Hari?
Creating a desire for the product.
Creating desire for the product. Okay. So demand creation. Okay. Fine. So please understand, friends, we might be thinking about this may be a very easy question, but we write down and please remove the repeated words. You might be giving only 3 or 4. That means that we have to learn more. Correct? As we are comfortable in the words, as we are comfortable in speaking, we might be telling for story, but sometimes they will say, stop explaining. Give only words. 1, 2, 3. We will get stuck. Stop telling the words. Give some example. Then we should know the word. We should know the concept. We should know the example. Even for the awareness, it may have 5 different variants. 5 different variants, whether we are having 5 different examples. We may be knowing whether we are able to reconnect. Otherwise, we will get stuck. Okay, it may look easy, but we're discussing. You should be very sharp. So, okay, thank you. So, over to team 3. Mithun. So, Mithun may not be present here. Okay, so yes, Thomas Carrier and Alan Augustine. So, marketing strategies. Can you please list out what are the various marketing strategies adopted by the companies?
Okay, so according to me, like marketing strategy is something that we need to give more importance to. Like, for example, in the case of Nike. So first, when you think about Nike, yes, sir.
Initially, I told today I don't want example.
Yes, sir.
Today, I don't want explanation. What are the marketing strategies available for the marketer to market the brand?
Okay, sir. So the first one is cost marketing.
Sir?
Cost marketing. Cost marketing.
Okay.
Then it goes to relationship marketing.
Oh.
Then undercover marketing or bus marketing.
Oh.
Then, as we said, paid advertisements using actors.
Okay.
Then word to mouth marketing, as in the case of Amway, White Hat Junior. Then
Yes, Alan, please.
Sir, social media marketing, sir.
Okay.
Social media marketing.
Okay.
Digital marketing. Then
digital marketing, viral marketing, all are same.
so, sir. Okay. Telephone marketing.
Sir?
Telephone marketing.
Telephone marketing. What is the right name? There is no word called telephone marketing. What is the right word for that? Okay. Okay. Move on. Next.
The transactional marketing, sir.
Transactional marketing. Okay. Good.
Diversity marketing.
Okay. So Joel, I'm unable to see you. So I am disabled non-video participants. So
Just
if
a second, sir.
3 minutes, you have to switch on their video.
Just a second.
Fast, dear students. I am also having some point to share. Please. Yes, Mithun, till now you are not opened your mouth. So please, you can share. Joel will join.
Sir, it's undercover marketing.
Sir, already told.
No, it's new point only, sir.
Thomas told.
Undercover already told.
Listen to others, Ra. Always you are using strategy, not even able to list out 20 strategies. And Google is helping you. Huh?
No, sir.
During the exam, likewise, I should have a camera from the back.
Sir,
Please continue fast. Strategy is a common word. Strategy is different from tactics. Why I'm asking strategy? You only if we know what is the marketing strategy we are going to adopt, then only we can decide what type of advertisement will add on my strategy. Strategy is different. Marketing strategy is different. For that, for example, if you are telling a telecalling or telemarketing, okay? If your marketing strategy is a telemarketing, to make other people to listen you, I have to do some marketing, advertising, correct?
yes.
Encourage the people to listen you. Even you are giving a TV advertisement, I have to do some other strategy to make the people to listen the TV. So advertisement is a value addition for your marketing strategy. So first you should know what are the marketing strategy you are going to adopt, right? List of strategy, among that which strategy you are going to adopt. For the strategy, what are the advertisement available? For the advertisement, what are the media is available? Then we have to go for a content. Yes, Joel.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, sir.
I already told, sir. Points.
Repeat.
Sir, transactional marketing and the diversity marketing, sir. Like in the transactional marketing, we can promote by coupons and offers that we give through the time, sir.
Okay. Diversity marketing.
So in the diversity marketing, sir, based on the diversity and the demography, sir.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I expected 5 into 4, 20 strategies, but till now it got stuck with the 5. So please understand our level. Marketing is the easiest subject. What are the things we are speaking? It is a marketing only, but still now we are unable to recollect. So please understand, it is not only for this team. All the teams, please, when the question is asked, please think whether you know these words. So please browse, please read, go back to marketing management 1 and go through all the concepts. Okay, so over to team number 4. Team number 4. Yes. So your topic is, what are the media, ad media available? Yes, I decided the advertisement. I have to launch the advertisement. What are the different media you can propose to me?
So according to us, there are 9 types of media advertising. So mainly, first it was like direct mail, which was the old type.
Please close your eyes and tell, because you are recollecting from your brain, right? Close your eyes and tell.
One is direct mail, and one more is newspaper and magazines, which is the oldest type of advertising media.
Close your eyes.
Yes, sir. I'm not reading anything, sir. And direct mail, actually, why we use this direct mail
Not
is
asking
because
explanation. Direct mail over. Next question. Next answer.
next is newspaper and magazine, sir.
Next.
And
Sir, television advertising, radio advertising.
Let Yamini tell 9, then balance you people tell 5, 5, 5.
So, and one more is film advertising.
More.
Sir?
6 more. You told only 3. What are
And one more is radio advertising, sir.
Okay.
And
if you gone through the unit 1 PPT, you might be able to understand what are the different things. Okay, the content is also shared. What are the different types of media available? We already discussed. Pros, cons, advantages, disadvantages. In different way we discussed. Yamini, I'm just coming to you with your with a product. I'm ready to spend any amount of money. I'm saying, please, Yamini, can you please suggest what is the media I have to select? If you're unable to suggest a media, how I can proceed with some designing?
so we can go for social media advertising.
Okay.
Like Instagram and Facebook.
Okay. Yes, out of 9, you are able to recollect only 5. Yes, over to Jacob. Advertisement medias. What are the different advertisement medias available for us?
Sir, outdoor advertising.
Okay. Indoor
Like
advertising.
we can use.
Okay.
Then fairs and exhibitions.
That?
We can advertise in various programs like exhibitions, fair.
Okay, good. Events programs. Okay.
Yeah. Then television advertising.
Okay.
Then magazines, newspapers, radio.
See, all these things we know very well, but still we are dependent on Google to verify whether we are right. That much confident we are having in the subject. Okay, over to Mohammad Nazir.
Sir, like one way is like through in-store advertisements. Like a store is there of Reliance Trends, so we can take the number of the customer, and that number we can like send the promotional offers or something. So through that also we can do the advertisement.
Next.
Next is pamphlets.
All comes under print advertisement.
Print advertisement. Then kiosks, like that also comes in outdoor advertisement.
Okay. Please close your eyes and think how many advertisements we are seeing, how many medias we are daily listening, viewing.
So, but almost all the points they have told, sir, like TV advertisement, social media, then behind the bus also they put that is outdoor advertisement. Then the banners.
Okay, Sudhar, you are waiting with a lot of points. Yes, your opportunity given.
So that's what they told all the points. So basically, I was ready with what was television advertising, and so literally, what is television advertising means that.
I don't want definition, Sudhar. Sorry, list different types of media. That's it. Answer to the question.
Television advertising, outdoor advertising, then. Sir, almost everything they said, I actually prepared like with examples. Can I go with examples?
No, not required. As of now, not required. Okay, so I will come back to you, Sudhar. Okay, thank you. Other teams also, please think over it. And now I'm moving to team number 5, Andrews.
Sir, bathroom advertising. Okay.
Bathroom advertising. Good. Actually, it is not actually a word, but we are using it. Okay. Even there we can advertise. Yes.
Yes, sir. So we are going to
Your team topic is, yes, already our wonderful team suggested objectives of marketing, objectives of advertisement, different strategy, different media. Now I given the decision making authority to your team. Yes, please decide which media or which type of strategy, which type of budget will be suitable. Okay, so you all three people are working around to come to the conclusion for a particular product. For example, if I am coming with a new tablet form food, okay, so as we are so hungry, okay, we can take a juice. Okay, there is one tablet we are going to coming with. If you are so hungry or like means, you can take the tablet and put in a hot water or in a cold water, it will become a juice. The product I'm going to come with. So I'm just saying, yes, dear team, please come up with a plan how I have to proceed. So you have to select one media. Yes, already they suggested a media, and you listen to the different types of other objectives also. Okay, considering these things, how will you select a particular media? What are the steps you will consider, or what are the things you will keep in mind to select a media?
So first step which I feel like required is first you have to know what is the objective of the firm. So as you said, are they introducing a new juice, or is it already an existing company already promoting your new juice or creating awareness of it? Then second thing, they need to see the cost and their financial capability to attain that, the cost of the particular kind of different media and how they can even attain it. Second thing is also the reach and the frequency of it. The reach as in I have 1000 followers in Instagram, like that's our reach, but frequency of it is like, are those in that 1000, is the 1000 seeing it or not, other 1000 seeing it or not? And also the other one is the like there are some certain advertising policies some companies have, like they would not like to show this, they would not like to show that, like some of that also should be considered. And like the different especially the, like how already the previous team told, like what is their suggestion towards the different types of media, like how would they want to go ahead with it? According to some points according from my side, Margaret.
Okay, I'll continue. I'll firstly see the type of buyer, what type of buyer is the organization actually focusing on. So if it's youth age group, like from 16 to 30 or something, then it will be social media. So that's where our main focus will be. That's where our ad media we would like to promote. If it's not that age group, if it's age group above 45 to 50, that above plus means, then we'll obviously go for newspaper advertisement where people watch it more. And if it's just household, like people sitting at home because of lockdown, if that's the case, then we'll go with television advertisement. This is relating to your question. I answered.
I'm just looking for what are the things you will consider. Ad media selection process. You all three people are discussing. As Andrew said, we will be looking into reach, looking into etc. etc. So likewise, what are other things you will think of? What is the plan? What is the plan for selecting a media? Like TV. For deciding a TV, what are the things you will keep in mind, and what is the plan?
Yes, sir. As Andrew said, at first we have to know the objectives,
Yes,
and
don't
then
repeat it. Don't repeat it. Please add
Yes, sir.
some other point. Yes.
Yes, sir. Adding on to what Andrews and Mary said, first we have to check on the objectives and the ad policy of the company, and after all that, we have to know the target customers also. And after deciding the target customers, we have to know which media to focus on, because based on our target customers, we have to focus on those medias. And also we have to also consider the type of advertising that we are doing. As example, if we are choosing a poster or a video or a reel, we can only post a reel in YouTube or Instagram. So if it's a poster, then we cannot advertise it in YouTube. So we'll be advertising that in Facebook. So it depends on the media. Also, we'll be choosing the type of media that we're going for. And also, other than that, we'll be choosing the past experiences of the company. So there are different companies will be like, for example, if it's a juice company, most of the juice companies will be going for Instagram. And so we'll also be trying to choose that path. Based on the experience of other companies, we can choose the ad media.
Dear team, are you able to see the Word document here?
Yes, sir.
So the fifth team is add media selection steps, but actually you are answering to team number 6.
Sir, no, we told the selection steps where we will find which type of buyers. We were talking about that only. Sir. We started telling in that sense when you gave us an example relating to that.
So okay, what will be the next step? So it's we are actually it should be a reverse. 6th team should come in the 5th. Okay, so there is a reverse. So just tell me step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and finally deciding the media. Yes.
Oh, so we already told that. So first we'll see what is the objective of the company. Second, we'll see whether they can afford or like we'll make the plan chart. We'll have like six types. Then we'll compare the company's cost. After company's cost, then we will take, then from that 6, we'll take the best 3. To that best 3, we will go to a particular focus group and show the advertisement that is loyal customers of that particular company. Then from that 3, we will see the best 2 or the best 1 from where we're getting a response. Then after that, we will be properly allocating the company's cost and the advertising cost. With that, we put that particular best advertisement in the market.
Yeah, we'll choose the type of buyers which the product is going for, and then if we have done marketing before in that particular segment, we'll see how the approach is. We'll go with the past experience, check with that, then forecast the new how it is going to be. These are the basic things we'll be doing.
Fine. So you are saying okay, fine, but you have to catch up with the words. That's why I'm saying please go through the syllabus. As you said, we have to make a media planning means first thing is checking with the objectives. Then we have to do a market research. You have to use that word. Whatever said is research, but you have to. So I will go for a market research, sir. Consumer research I will go. Correct? Market research has to be done. Then advertisement effectiveness. Yes, I might have some advertising content, but I should test it. Before choosing a media, I should test. I should go with a sample. Anyway, you're going to learn with advertising research in the forthcoming classes, and your alternative, you are learning AMR also. Please apply the subject here. I will take a sample. I will consider the population. I will go for a sample survey, pilot survey, do an analysis. Please use that word. All the subjects you can incorporate in any other subject. But then others will feel that, okay, you know many things. You are able to integrate. And you are saying affordability. Please use the word called ad budget. Advertising budget. So advertising budget means along the budget, we have a lot of things. Ad effectiveness, post-test, pre-test. Okay. These are some technical words we can incorporate. Whatever you said is right. Plus, as a marketing student, please try to use the technical words. No need to search more things. Please go through the syllabus of all the subjects wherever possible, just fit in it. Then you can differentiate from others. Okay. So thank you. So I'm over to team 6. Okay. So the team 6 firstly list down what are the elements we have to keep in mind before launching an advertisement.
Sir, catchy headlines and an effective subheadings and a trademark and images and the quality of design.
Okay, these things. Okay, fine. Then
the art should be in a simple form where every should want to understand the content and.
Okay.
So making the ad more simple to understand and also covering a larger audience with the short period given.
Okay.
So selling the benefits, like showing what are the benefits.
Okay.
And about the company's packaging and imaging, showing that the logo that is doing in an attractive way.
Okay. So what are other things we have to keep in mind before?
So we should know where first we are going to display the ad and then design it accordingly to the location and preference.
Very good. Then
the logo and the company name want to add in the ad.
Sir?
Logo and the company name want to add in the ad.
Yes, they're already told by Girish. Okay. Yes. What are other elements we have to keep in mind?
So making sure it does not affect, I mean, it does not harm any religious or any cultural.
We should keep in mind culture, society, ethics. Yes. Okay.
Sir, according to which media we are going to advertise, so according to that we can design the ads.
Okay. Okay. Good. 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 So, okay. Thank you, team. So all can switch off your video. Switch off video. So I will be next maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I will be explaining whatever you said is a wonderful point. I'm just consolidating the PPT. I'm not going to say very great new things, but some words we might be missing and we have to go through it. And for all these things, you should have example. Even you said one word for that, there should be a correct example. You have to prepare for it. Okay, so we will go through the PPT and please remind me by 12:28. Okay, so that I can finish in within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Yes. So advertising plan. So we are in the class we discussed about if you want to go for advertising, what plan we have to do. So advertising plan is a document. So we have to achieve some goal. Okay. So how we have to define an exact message to be delivered and who is our target audience. So we should make a copy. We call it as an ad copy or as an advertising plan. That's called as advertising plan. So while we are making an advertising plan, what are the things we have to keep in mind? What are the advertising goals? For the goals itself, we are having 10 to 20 goals. Out of that, we have to specify which is my exact first goal, second goal, etc. And we have to decide on the budget. Affordability is a very important thing. We have to think about the budget. So we cannot suggest a very big TV advertisement, mass media advertisement to the petty shop. Okay, so we cannot give a small magazine ad to the people who want their company to reach all over the world. So it depends upon their paying capacity also. The budget is also important. And we have to decide who is my target audience. Who has to see this ad first? Reaching many people is different, but reaching the exact expected audience is different. So whether my audience is a consumer or a retailer or just a reference group or a regulatory authority, I have to decide that. Then whether I'm going to specify about my product features. What are the then features mean? What are the features I have to emphasize? We call it a USP, right? Even I have a 10 to 20 features, which feature I want to focus. So that I have to decide. Then I should make a SWOT analysis. Strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. Strength and weakness is about my strength, my weakness. Opportunity threats is available in the market, among the competitor, among the retailer, among the other environmental factors. I should make an analysis about SWOT. Then I should find out what are the way I can differentiate from others. I am also giving in a television ad. Another competitor is also giving in a television ad. I am also giving for 30 seconds. He is also giving for 30 seconds. Apart from that, how I am going to differentiate my advertisement from others' advertisement. The differentiating factors. USP is one of the factors. But apart from that, competitor saying discount, I am also doing discount. That is a different thing. How I am going to differentiate in the crowd. So I can see thousands of ads in different media. How my ad is going to differentiate my product from other products. So I should write down this. Then I have to consider other low cost methods. So if there is any other way so that I can increase my advertisement reach, I can give in different media, but at a lesser cost. So again, it comes to related to the budget. And I have to go through again, consumer profile, product profile, pricing. What pricing I'm going to adopt. Then if I am going to give an advertisement, before giving advertisement, what is my competitor is doing? What the promotion is doing? What the pricing is doing? If I am going to launch an advertisement, what will be his reaction? Dear friends, it is not suggested to have a wonderful promotion, wonderful advertisement if your competitor is strong. Okay, they might be selling 1,000 cases, or otherwise they might be having a 75% market share. You might be having 25% market share. But if you are coming with the innovative ad, you launched it, because of that you aimed at getting another 20% from your competitor. But if your advertisement is imitatable, okay, or your promotion is imitatable, means they are a very big player, right? If you give one ad, they will give 10 ad. If you give 10 rupees discount, they will give 20 rupees discount. If you give refrigerator, they will give a mega refrigerator. Then what will happen? Very next day, they will dump a lot of money in advertisement and promotion. You may lose your 25% of share because he is strong. So You have to think before advertisement what my competitor is doing. You have to assume, you have to make a market research. If I done this, if I am able to get 5% of the customer switching over to my product, what will be the reaction? If it is overreaction, means I should be very silent. I should not choose that. I should be very careful on it. Then if I'm going for the campaign means advertisement. What is the frequency? Okay, what is the duration? So 30 seconds or 1 minute ad, or 1 page ad or half page ad, and how frequently I'm going to repeat it among my audience. Then what is the creativity I'm going to have in the ad creation? So these are the few points. Apart from that, whatever you said also, it's right. So these things you have to keep in mind before going for planning itself. Okay. So for this, what we can do for making an advertising plan, we have to make a SWOT analysis. We have to set clear main objectives. We have to do a market research. We have to understand about our competition. We have to understand about exact target audience. For that, we have to make a research and select your channel. Which channel, that is which media are going to operate, and brainstorm for fresh ideas. Don't repeat the same very old ideas. Don't see the television and copy that. So please try to brainstorm with your employees, with your consultant, with your stakeholders, with your customers. Try to get new ideas, design the process, and then deliver your advertisements. So when it comes to the ad plan, what are the required information? Okay, I'm going to make an advertisement plan. What are the things you should have in hand? You should do situation analysis. You should know the details of marketing objectives. You should know what are the different strategies you are going to adopt. Then only we can go for an action plan. So when we say situation analysis, it involves all the environmental analysis, political environment, economic environment, social environment, technology, ecological, legal, etc., etc., etc. So you have to think, what is the situation in the environment? If I give the advertisement, whether the political party will oppose me, whether the government will support me. After the advertisement, whether the people are having enough money to buy the product, you have to analyze. That is called a situation analysis. Marketing objectives. Yes, as people told, you have to understand marketing objectives. Sales is a common word. Whether we want to achieve sales volume, 100 Ks, 200 Ks, 1000 pieces, 500 liters volume, or value 5,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 1 crore, which is your objective. And whether you want to increase the sales in a particular product, or whether you want to increase the sales in a particular segment, age wise, we can cut. Already you know about segmentation, geographic segmentation, consumer segmentation, psychographic. So among the segment, which segment you want to focus, you have to clear on it. And customer wise, even I have a customer, male customer, what I have to do, female customer, what I do. So how they think about my advertisement, kids. So this is respective with your gender or age, etc. So customer wise classify. Out of 1 lakh customers, you have to segment the customer. If you give the advertisement, it will reach to whom? Through which, how the sales is going to happen. So sales customer wise, maybe retailer wise, maybe wholesaler wise, maybe petty shop wise, maybe coffee shop wise, how the sales is going to happen after the advertisement. Growth rate. So sales achievement is different. Last year I did 100. This year I'm going to do 150. This means I'm expecting 50% growth, or I'm aiming for a gross profit. Overall turnover, how should it be? What is my gross profit? No, I'm aiming for cost or profit per case, net profit, whether you're going to call, or whether your objective may be adding a new product line. For example, paste, I'm going to add brush. That's adding. Or I want to remove, which is not at all performing. That may be your objective. So if you are removing certain product, for example, 100 cases you are selling toothpaste, 20 cases you are selling toothbrush. The company decided toothbrush is not performing, but it is giving 1 lakh sales. So you are going to remove the brush from your portfolio, but you are losing 1 lakh sales, right? So to compensate 1 lakh sales, you have to add 1 lakh sale in the paste, means you are going to give an advertisement. So apart from your cost, for example, 50,000 is your advertising cost, then you have to get a sale of 1.5 lakh so that it will compensate my deletion in my another brand, whether this is your objective, or whether you are going for social objective, corporate social responsibility, creating an awareness, ethics, culture, society, etc. So please define what is your actual marketing objective. What are the strategies available? So you people set few things. From my side, I am listing very few: content marketing, social media marketing, SEO marketing. Even you go very good advertisement in the website, it should be SEO we have to do. And hero marketing means you are making the reporter or journalist to come with the question, you are answering. It's like an interview or something. So it will act as a comment, it will act as a review. They will speak to the mass audience. You are not going to the mass audience. You are asking the reporter to come, ask them to come with some question. You are answering rightly. That itself a strategy to promote your product. Or otherwise somebody's told about exhibitions, trade events, etc. That comes under another marketing strategy. Conversational chatbots. So even at the bank or insurance, if you are getting a chatbot, it is available. Account-based marketing, it is mainly for the B2B. So each account, each segment I want to go, or whether I'm having advertisement to telecast, I'm paying amount in the digital media or some other media. So paid media, or I'm using a free my social media to promote the product, whether I'm using a email marketing, okay, that is called as a direct marketing, whether I'm going to work with another brand, I'm going to merge with another brand, I'm going to work as a joint with another brand, co-branding, whether that is my strategy. POP, point of purchase. At the time of purchase, what are things impulsive? Maybe a poster, maybe a dangler, maybe some promotional methods. At the time, point of purchase, I want to tempt them. That is a POP. Reference marketing. So then my advertisement should be focused on my reference. Influencer marketing, my promotion is focused on the influencer. Storytelling. So I want to promote my product through storytelling. For example, you go to Pothys, they create some theme or story. They won't tell, but you will understand whether it is related to kingdom, whether it is related to freshness, whether it is related to love. So they have some story to tell. In the story, they will sell the product. So these are a few other marketing strategies that you know. And as you know that our main objective of the advertisement is to remind, to persuade, to promote, to compete and support your other activities. These are the other objectives already you people discussed. Okay, either it's introduce a product or a brand, awareness creation, getting a customer, differentiating, brand building, positioning, increase sales, increase profit. Yes, most of the points are discussed by you people. Okay, then other objectives of the ad can be preparing ground for a new product. If I'm going to launch a new product next year, I have to do something today. And creation of demand. I want to handle the competition, creating a goodwill and neutralizing the competitor's advertisement, just countering the advertisement of my competitor. So these may be also some other objectives. Okay, so my impact of advertisement is mainly sales. Whatever it may be, it's a mainly sales that leads to the profit. So whether I'm aiming at the new customer or existing customer, whether I'm looking for an immediate sales or a long-term sales, whether I want to change attitude of the customers about my product, or whether I want to improve my image. So finally, it will lead to the sales. So we should know what are the strategies. So other components. Okay, yes. Strategies, other advertisement strategies. Okay, yes, I got the reminder. Okay, marketing strategy, we see what are the advertising strategy, traditional advertising. Whatever you all said, most of the things are traditional advertising. So TV, radio, newspaper, etc. traditional advertising. So today, modern advertising strategies like Google AdWord, pay-per-click, Facebook and Instagram, using a WhatsApp, using artificial intelligence, using an RFID, using a YouTube ad, utility-based strategies. Okay, these are the few other strategies available. And traditional advertising, after that, behavior advertising strategy. We call it as a modeling, reframing, evocation, collectivism, skill up, elimination of complexity, commitment. So these are behavior based. If I'm giving advertisement, how it is going to change your behavior, that I have to study. And best strategy is suggested for effective advertisement is determine your goal, target audience, how you want to brand, and the test and track that I said, marketing research, right? Pre-test, pro-test. Okay, and consider your timing, seek help from the consultant, other people, and always try to reduce the cost of your advertisement to increase the output. Okay, so below I listed few other strategies for advertisement. So when we want to have a creative idea, okay, so we have a creative idea. So the 5WH I will explain again in the next class. Okay, so these things I will be explaining. I plan to complete these things. Okay, but fortunately you people extend your discussion, no problem. So next class I will be explaining how we can get the creativity, what are the different ways. Okay, and getting a creative idea. There is a concept called the CAN. Okay, there's a connectedness and appropriateness and novelty, and how we can go with the creative executions. Okay. Yes, so this is the thing, and then only we are coming to the media planning. So media planning, we have to consider, decide the market, media objective, reach, frequency, and there is a word called the GRP. Effectiveness, we are having a word called the GRP, and how we want to continue the advertising. And to measure that, we are using a word called the TRP. Mostly in the television, I want to increase the TRP, target rating point, how it is actually reaching my target audience, and how this can be done. So maybe in the next class, we will discuss about little bit about media planning, balance concept. Then we will move to the advertising budget and implementation and valuation. So in the next class, we will be continuing with the budgeting. So you people have to think around what is meant by budget, what are the different types of budget, how we have to plan it. So these things will be for the exercise for the next class. Please go through it. Anyway, I will put the concepts in group also for your preparation. Now all of you please switch on your videos. Yes, so hope along with what are the thing you learned today, you learned a little bit, but because of time constraint and limited only to the definitions, concepts. But if the time permits, all things we have to argue. Why we are selecting television, why we are selecting radio, this is good, this is bad. For this, we should know all our basic concepts, okay? So marketing strategy, marketing objective, advertisement media, different components of budget, these are all things you should keep in mind. Then only you can decide what type of advertisement can be seen. But we are putting more efforts on designing advertisement. Yes, fine. But we can outsource the designing. We can give to the consultancy to design, but we are the people to decide how the component should be. Are you getting a point? So second unit and third unit, we'll be discussing like this only. So we are going to suggest our promotion team. We are going to suggest my advertising agency how it should be prepared. Otherwise, he will tell something, I have to listen blindly. Are you getting the point? So please thorough with your basic. Please go through your basic. Parallelly, as said, learn the application. That is for our later references. Okay. So maybe in 1 or 2 weeks, I will ask you to prepare a tutorial and you have to post it. At the time, don't come up with the excuses. Okay. So I'm giving enough time. So thank you, dear friends. We'll meet you in the next class with a further discussion. Thank you all.